Okay, so we're hooking up a swivel. So hooking up a swivel, I have, of course, the primary marker in the robot. So here's the robot primary marker. There are some connectors here, and typically this is where it will charge right there in the base. That's where it syncs up to. I'll take the tripod, lay the legs out there, and I'll have to twist this part. And once it stops, it's in place. Tighten that up. And you can, if you want it a little taller, untwist here, open this up just a little bit, tighten that. All right, now come on in just a little bit closer. So there's threading here, and there's this here. I usually hold right here, and as long as it's level, we will twist. And once it kind of stops, the bottom is the part that's screwing. I'll give it just a little bit of turn, and that's where it is. Okay, next up is the iPad. And my iPad is right here. There we go. So I have my iPad, and my iPad, I'll just slide right down. Now that's a little loose, so I'm going to change the shim. We may pause this, may not, but I'm going to go ahead and change the shim. So once again, you take the grip, slide it in that direction, take the shim, and everybody had trouble with this. It comes out. I'm gonna get the one that should fit it, which is probably this medium one. And right here, put the flat side, clickety clack, slide right in, and about right there we go, and it snaps. Okay, so iPad is now, that's a little better fit. All right, so that's there. Time to turn the power on. It starts doing its robot thing. And what I need is the iOS connector, which in this case is the white one. The micro cable plugs into the back. In the center, right there. And this plugs right into the bottom. All right, so we should be connected. It's saying the swivel would like to communicate, and we're gonna allow. So I click allow. And then, got here, I'm going next, I'm going through the tutorial. All right, let's start. Okay. All right, so if I need to, I have the swivel charging cable. I'm gonna take that cable, and overnight, of course, I'm gonna make sure that it's plugged into the charging block, and that goes into, swing right around here. You can see this little hole right here. I'm gonna plug that into there. And if necessary, you can take this for the secondary markers, and you can plug this up right into the headphone jacks for both secondary markers and their charging. The primary marker will charge right there in the back once that's plugged in.